Deadlines can either motivate or massively stress you out. And it all depends on how you go about setting your deadlines. Let's say you've got a client project that's due in 3 weeks' time. Instead of letting it drag, get it done or the first draft in the first week. You can do it. And then if there's any revisions or stuff you need to address, you can do that because you've got a deadline of 3 weeks, but you got it done in the first week. And now you've got time to address any problems or anything else you want to sort out. So even if you know something's going to take half an hour, set your deadline for 2 to 3 hours. Don't tell the client, I'll get it done for you today. Say you'll do it tomorrow. And if you do get it done today, that's really good. But what you don't want to do is assume that you won't hit a stumbling block or a problem later on. Because I could easily say to someone, yeah, I'll get your hero banner done in the next hour. It's just a container, an image, a heading, a call to action button. But what if when you're building it, you realize that when you go to the mobile, the image don't look so good? Or even on the desktop, the text, the image, all of that. And the text you got for the headline doesn't really fit the SEO, and the call to action button feels a bit flat. And then you got to start thinking. And all of a sudden, your client, who you said you'd get it done for them within an hour, they're like emailing you and going, well, look, I need to rush off. When am I going to get that hero banner? So give yourself realistic deadlines, but don't be afraid to add a bit of a buffer. Give yourself that time to review, maybe get feedback, maybe reinvent whatever you did. Don't turn deadlines into nightmares. Turn them into a dream that is deliverable.